Hello, and you're watching TV9 News, and I'm your host Deepak. Now, metro cities across the country are turning into super spreaders. Last week, I told you about Mumbai and Bengaluru, but today, another metro city in the country is seeing an uptick in the COVID-19 tally. The metro city that I am talking about is our national capital, Delhi. Breaking all records, Delhi reported 13,468 cases in the last 24 hours, and this is the city's highest spike since the pandemic began. It's not just the fresh cases that breached an all-time high mark. 81 deaths in the last 24 hours also made it Delhi's highest single-day death toll since December 3rd, when 82 people lost their lives in the national capital to COVID-19 infection. Along with that, the positivity rate in Delhi has also increased to 13.14%, which is again another worrying statistical data, because the peak positivity rate in Delhi was last seen on November 15, 2020, which was about 15.33%. Along with that, Delhi has also earmarked 6,852 hotspots across the city, and at this point in time, nothing is working in Delhi's favor. The statistics show that the situation is only going from bad to worse. And speaking about statistics, the recovery rate in Delhi is also going down. It has reduced to 92.67%, which is the lowest since December 2nd, when the recovery rate was 93.14%. So the month of April has been really intense for the national capital. In the last 10 days, Delhi has recorded 77,775 COVID-19 cases, which is a spike of 234%. And in these last 10 days, 376 people have also lost their lives. Delhi is now not just the national capital, but also the COVID capital as well, because the highest number of cases recorded in other metro cities like Bengaluru, Chennai and Kolkata are 6,387, 2,105 and 1,271 respectively. And Tuesday's tally of 13,468 is Delhi's highest single day spike so far, and the trend is growing with each passing day. On Sunday and Monday, Delhi had recorded 10,774 and 11,491 new cases respectively. Also, data on real-time availability of COVID beds reveals that 64% of the total beds are occupied. The occupancy of COVID ICU beds with and without ventilator stands at 90% and 82%. But the Health Minister of Delhi, Satyendra Jain, has said that there is no shortage of beds and ventilators in the national capital. So far there are about 13,000 beds. Patients from Delhi and other states are also being admitted in the national capital. The centre has provided 1,100 beds and talks are on to add more. So 286 out of 5,525 COVID care centres are occupied. Banquets and hotels will soon be included. Now, the cases are increasing rapidly. National capital has turned into a COVID capital, and the reason behind the spike in cases and these shocking data statistics is the ignorance towards COVID-19 protocols. Follow the protocols and the national capital will surely return to normal. The more complacent we are, the worse the situation will be. So be responsible for yourself and others. Wear a mask, maintain a social distance and get yourself checked if you have symptoms, and adhere to all the directives issued by the centre as well as the state government. Thank you and have a great day.